Okay, so this is the tool that you use to cut a log or a piece of wood like that, or you able to take some of this down, but it's quite hard and it will take you some time. But this is what you use in a survival situation. This whole line here is a saw line, and you will put your finger through the hole like that. You put one finger like this finger under like this, and then press it down with this so you're able to get control of it. And now we put it inside the ring on the other hand too. So we're going like this. Now we will try to show. I will show you how cut this. Gonna put this down. Put one of your leg up there. You need to make sure that you're able to get balance on the piece of wood. Hold it tight in your hand. Let's go. And yeah, you just keep going like that for 15 minutes. Well, it's not easy to cut this type of wood, but it will be very easy to cut something like that or something like this. It's very easy to cut a nice line on this one and this one, but this type of wood is hard, and the whole thing like that is much easier to cut. So yeah, that is my part about how to cut a piece of wood. And remember to be careful. Make sure it's not gonna be stuck in there, because you're gonna get something wrong. So yep, see that? It's quite easy, use it to cut, but you need to put it on the right angle to cut it. Okay, cut.